Unlocking permissions. Harness the power of could. Hello, language explorers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of English modal verbs, specifically focusing on using could for granting permission. So, if you've ever wondered how to politely give someone permission in English, then you're in the right place. In English, could is a modal verb used in various contexts, such as to express possibility, to make polite requests, or to talk about past abilities. But did you know it can also be used for giving permission? Well, that's what we're going to explore today. The key to understanding how to use could to give permission lies in its indirectness. When we give permission using could, it usually implies a certain level of politeness and flexibility. Here's a simple example. Imagine your friend asks if they can borrow your car. Instead of saying, "Yes, you can borrow my car," which sounds very direct, you could say, "You could borrow my car." This response is less direct and sounds more generous and easygoing. Another example could be in a formal setting. Say, your employee wants to leave early, and you want to grant them permission. Instead of saying, "Yes, you can leave early," you can say, "You could leave early today." This comes across as considerate and understanding. Although both could and can be used to give permission, their usage is slightly different. Can is more direct and often used in more informal or straightforward contexts. On the other hand, could brings in a layer of politeness and is usually preferred in more formal settings or when you want to sound more diplomatic or generous. To master the usage of could for giving permission, all you need is practice. Try using it in your everyday conversations, role-play situations where you need to give permission, or even practice with exercises online. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. And there you have it. Now you know how to use could to give permission in English. This handy modal verb can add a layer of politeness and flexibility to your conversations, making you sound more natural and considerate in your interactions. Keep practicing and soon, using could will become second nature. Remember, in language learning, every small step counts. See you in the next video.